Oh my God.
Janvi Kapoor and Sara Ali Khan are in the house.
Let's learn English with Coffee with Karan.
8 a.m. to 7 p.m.
No,
and she
7
was-
p.m. to 8 a.m. It
And
was
she
an
was-
all-nighter.
All-nighter. An all-nighter refers to staying awake for the entire night, often to study, work on a project, or engage in social activities. For example, I pulled an all-nighter to finish my research paper before the deadline.
I've seen that happen.
I've also.
So you're basically all fart and no shit. I just want to say.
Fine.
All fart and no shit. The expression all fart and no shit means that someone is all talk and no action, or that they make a lot of noise or claims but fail to deliver results. For example, the politician's speech was impressive, but many voters felt it was all fart and no shit, lacking any real solutions.
And I'm like, I don't care. I love it.
Honestly, you
That's
do
most
you.
important.
Whatever makes you happy.
You do you. The expression you do you means to be yourself and act in a way that feels right for you without worrying about what others think. For example, if wearing bright colors makes you happy, then go for it. You do you.
I was given much more love and, almost adulation than I deserve.
Adulation. Adulation means excessive admiration or praise. For example, despite the adulation he received after winning the award, he remained humble and focused on his work.
When I walked out of the gym and some rando guy was like, "Can I be your mobile friend?" Ma'am, we should be mobile friends. And that was someone hitting on me. And
Hit on someone. Hit on someone means to flirt with or make romantic advances towards someone in hopes of initiating a romantic or sexual relationship. For example, I saw my friend trying to hit on someone at the party, and it was both amusing and cringeworthy.
Coffee gang, we await your result with bated breath.
With bated breath. With bated breath means to wait anxiously or excitedly for something. For example, the students sat with bated breath during the announcement of the scholarship winners.
who
Great.
goes first? We have to.
I'm starting with you, Janvi.
What? Don't I have a say in
No.
this?
No.
Get a say. The expression get a say means to have the opportunity to express one's opinion or participate in a discussion or decision-making process. For example, during the meeting, we made sure everyone would get a say before finalizing the plan.
Very, very solid person that I know has my back all the time. You guys met her.
Yeah.
Have your back. Have your back means to support someone or stand by them in difficult situations. For example, it's comforting to know that my family has my back no matter what.
I'd like to think that I've retained and preserved whatever she's instilled in me.
Instill. Instill means to gradually introduce or implant an idea, quality, or feeling in someone's mind or character. For example, her goal was to instill confidence in her students before they took the exam.
She opened the back of her car and got in and shut it. And I was appalled. Me and Ananya were standing there.
Appalled. Appalled means feeling shock or dismay, often in response to something considered wrong or unacceptable. For example, he was appalled to learn that his friend had been spreading rumors about him.
I'm just showing up in my car, putting my thumbs up, and Lakan and me are trailing you today. Watch out.
Trail someone. Trail someone means to follow a person closely, often without their knowledge. For example, the detective decided to trail the suspect to gather more evidence.
So I've asked Sara a gazillion times, why are you carrying this bag?
Gazillion times. Gazillion times is an informal way to express an extremely large, often indefinite number. For example, she has watched that movie a gazillion times and still loves it.
Please make a note, my illustrious coffee gang. We await your result.
Illustrious. Illustrious means highly distinguished, famous, or renowned, often for achievements or contributions in a particular field. For example, she comes from an illustrious family of artists and musicians. I hope you found the lesson helpful and enjoyable. If you have any question, leave a comment below. See you in the next lesson. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.